Hey guys, and welcome to my little user's guide for this JBL Clip 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. And in this video we are going to show you all the features that this speaker has to offer and how you can properly use this. In case you have further questions for a specific topic, then I suggest you check out my other videos here in the upper right corner where we are going into details. Now our first topic is the pairing process, and in this example we're going to show you this on an iPhone 7. Okay, so in case you need further details, here in the upper right corner is an example video for iPhone and for Android phones as well. So the first thing we have to do, of course, is we turn on the speaker. And in case your speaker is still new, then it should immediately go into the Bluetooth pairing mode. You should hear this jingle, and also here on the top you see this LED blinking in white. Okay, so in case your speaker doesn't do this at the moment, then there is a Bluetooth button here on the left corner. And you're going to press that once, and now you should definitely hear the jingle and the LED should be blinking in white. Okay, so now we can put the speaker aside. We're going to switch to our phone where we are entering the settings menu. Let's see this cogwheel icon, and there we will find Bluetooth. We're going to press on Bluetooth, and here you see you have the switch to enable Bluetooth. So we're going to click on this, and now there is already a list of previously paired devices. But on the very bottom of the screen, that's where we find JBL Clip 4. So we're going to click on that, and this will now pair our phone to the speaker here. So now they're both connected. See also the LED on the top is not blinking anymore. It's now constantly white, which indicates that the speaker is connected. Now, in case you're wondering, it is only possible to connect the speaker to one device at a time. Okay, so but now we are ready to use the speaker here. So I'm going here to my music app. I'm just going to play a song here. So we're just going to select this, and it immediately starts playing here on the speaker. We can hear this. And now we have a couple of buttons on the top here. So we have the play pause button, which allows us to play and pause the audio playback. And then we also have here the plus and minus button. And if we press the minus button, the volume is lowered. You can also see this on the display on my phone. And when we press the plus button, the volume is being raised. Okay, so now there is one more function that we have here, and that is when we double click the play pause button, and that skips to the next track. You do have to press the button relatively quickly in order for this to really work. When you press 2 times too slow, then it may just play and pause. But if you press the button twice fast enough, then it's going to skip to the next track. See, this is really easy. Just see how fast I'm doing this here. The speaker does come with a playtime of up to 10 hours, but eventually you will have to recharge the battery, and that is indicated when the LED here is starting to blink in red. And you also may hear a jingle from time to time that indicates that the battery is low. So now how do we recharge the battery? Of course we need a charging cable. So the speaker comes here with this USB Type-C charging cable. In case you do have a Nintendo Switch or a laptop that come with the same kind of charging cable, then you can also use that instead of using this cable here. But in this video I'm going to show you this now with the original cable. So we're going to plug in the connector here on the bottom. That's where the charging port is. And the other end of the charging cable, I'm going to use here the charging cube of my smartphone. In this case, this is here an iPhone charger. So you can just use any of those, that will all work. You can also plug the cable into a laptop, for example. And now if we take another look at the LED on the top of the speaker, then you see now that this is now constantly red, and this indicates that the speaker is being charged. Now a full charge takes up to 3 hours, and as you can see right now, you can use the speaker while it is being charged, which is a great feature. So now how do you know that the battery is fully charged? And you can tell that this is the case when this red LED turns off. So now in this case we are still using the speaker, so it's turned on, so the LED will be white again, indicating that the battery is fully charged. And if your speaker is turned off, then the LED will also just turn off as soon as the battery is fully charged. Now one word of caution when you handle here the charging port. Always be careful when you pull out and plug in the cable so that you don't accidentally bend the port here. Because in case the charging port does get damaged, then you will not be able to charge the speaker anymore. So always be careful with the charging cable when it is connected. Okay, so then of course we have the opening for the carabiner, so we can hook this speaker to our backpack or whatever. And then in case you're ever running into any problems with the speaker where it doesn't work right, then you can always try a factory reset. Now, as the name says, this will bring the speaker into the factory position, so everything that you've done with it will be forgotten. And in order to do that, you press and hold here the Bluetooth button and the volume up button here, so the plus. You press and hold those at the same time, and you keep holding them for about 10 seconds until the speaker turns off. So you see this LED is going to turn off, and it's also playing the jingle. And now this was the factory reset. So the next time you turn on the speaker, you will have to pair it again to your phone. Now, if you're wondering, how do you make phone calls with the speaker through your smartphone? And then I have to unfortunately tell you that this is not possible with the speaker, because there is no built-in microphone in here, so we're not able to accept any phone calls. Okay, so this was already it here for the beginner's guide of the JBL Clip 4. Please give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, don't forget the other videos, or you can just leave a message below.